the factory key fob, you hit the lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You'll get a little parking light blink confirmation. Give it a couple seconds here, and she fires up. Alright, so we're in the trunk of the Audi A8. You guys will know that there's a fuse panel right behind this black cover. The BCM that we need is right behind that whole panel. The easiest way I found to remove it is you can grab a pick tool, or some of the panels are loose enough where you can just put your finger up here on the top right corner and pull it back, and then just fold this down, and our BCM is right here. So this top part with the brown, the blue, the gray plugs, that's what we need right here. A quick overview of the harness before we jump in the car. You're only going to need 3 connectors at that BCM. There's a brown one, a black one, and a gray one. And then on the other end we have the module connections. So let's jump in the car and we'll show you how to install it. The first thing we're going to do is unplug the brown connector. This is always the first one to get unplugged and the last one to get plugged back in. So we got the brown one, and then we got the gray one, and then we also have the black one. Now go ahead and plug our harness into the factory connectors and then back into the BCM. The brown one is always the first one to get unplugged and the last one to plug back in. One last little tidbit for you guys. If you are using our smartphone module, it plugs into the remote start box that I've already tucked back in here. The module for the smartphone app needs to go up above the metal here. So what we do is we route the wire up. You'll come around the trunk panel like this, and then the module will go right up on top of the metal. If you put it underneath the metal, it's probably going to have really poor signal, so make sure that it's up above the metal, and then all it has above it is the piece of cardboard for the rear deck and then the glass for the back window, and it'll operate just fine through that stuff. Alright, so we got the A8 all finished up. On the factory key fob, you hit the lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You'll get a little parking light blink confirmation. Give it a couple seconds here. She fires up. Now when you guys are ready to come out and leave, go ahead and hit the unlock button on the key. It'll unlock. It starts a 45-second window where you can get in with your key and do your takeover. So how you do that is you press and release the brake pedal, and as long as you have a key with you, the car will stay running. You can put it in gear. You can see it's in drive there, and we drive away.